Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. Samir Dey, and you are watching my YouTube channel where I uploaded videos for engineering mathematics, B.Sc, and B.Sc Maths honors also. So, if you are preparing for any competitive exam where higher studies is asked, so my YouTube channel is very helpful for you. Today, I'll discuss Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform, some special types problem. So already you know partial fraction method. Now I will discuss this problem can be solved without any partial fraction. Some special problem. Okay. Now try to understand. Please write down type 1. Type 1. Type 1 is suppose L inverse. You want to find L inverse of 1 by S minus 1 s plus 4 you have, that is you have a linear factor. Now try to how to solve. Already you know from your 11 12, if you have this type of problem, if you want to separate this, you need to apply partial fraction process or partial fraction technique, but it will take some time. But here I am going to discuss a special formula process. Without any partial fraction you can separate it. Now try to understand. Suppose you want to solve it, then what you do is very easy. First you have to write down 1 by s minus 1 single minus 1 by s plus 4. Is it clear to all of you? This process is applicable for linear only. This process. So s minus 1, 1 by s minus 1, 1 by s plus 4. Then what you do? Then you have to take LCM. So basically it is coming s minus 1 and s plus 4. Now it will be s plus 4 minus s minus 1. So what is your ultimate part? It is coming s plus 4 minus s plus 1, s minus 1 and s plus 4, isn't it? So ultimately these two are cancelled. What is your extra? 5 by full expression. So that expression is coming. Okay, so that means this 5 is extra. When you separated this, then when you separate this, that is this 5 is extra, then you have to adjust it. Is it clear? From where this 5 is coming, first you have to take LCM, then you take your for process wise. So here 5 is extra, so balance it. Now you have to apply 1 by 5. So L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 minus 1 by 5 L inverse of 1 by s plus 4. Is it clear? It is 5. It is 5. So now what is the formula? 5, it is basically e to the power t, and minus 1 by 5, it is e to the power minus 4t. Clear? Which formula I have used here? So already you know L by 1 by s minus a is equals to e to the power 8. Clear? Very simple. Just you separate, then find the solution. Very easy. Very simple. Okay. If it is clear to you, please try to solve. Pause your video, pause this video, and try to solve this one. 1 by s plus 3 s plus 7. Process same process. In first line you write down 1 by s plus 3 minus 1 by s plus 7. Then you adjust the number just like this. Okay, just that. Pause this video and simplify it. Okay. Okay. Now type 2. Listen carefully. Suppose you have a question like this: L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, and here it is s square plus 4 you have. Suppose now from here it is clear that in first type you have a linear double factor, you have one is linear, another one is linear, but in this problem one is linear, another one is quadratic, correct? Now try to understand how to dissolve it, how to separate this, and how to solve it. It's very easy. Now L inverse of 1 by, just try to understand, 1 by s plus 1 minus s square plus 4 you write. Is it clear? There are two factors you have. First you write down 1 by linear factor and full blank with quadratic equation. Please, quadratic expression you write. Okay, clear? So now next line, next step, whatever expression you have here, whatever expression you have in linear, plus minus s plus 1 s minus 3, whatever, just you have to write just reverse of it. That means it should be s minus 1. So here you have a s plus 1, here you should write s minus 1, correct? If you have s minus 3, you should write s plus 3 here. Is it clear? So in this problem you have 1 by s plus 1, so I should write s minus 1. I think it is clear to all of you. Now take a look how to balance it. It's very easy. So 1 by s plus 1 minus s minus 1 by s square plus 4. So lower expression is similar to that, s plus 1 s square plus 4. Okay. So now you write down s square plus 4 here minus this into that. So that means a plus b into a minus b, it is coming s square minus 1. Is it clear to all of you? A plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b means what? A square minus b square. Now you open your bracket, it is coming s square plus 4 minus s square plus 1. So here you have s square plus 4, ultimately it is these two are cancelled. How much extra is coming? 5 by total. So luckily in this problem also extra number 5 is coming. So there is no guarantee that each and every time you will get 5 only. No, as per your calculation you will get the number. Okay, maybe plus, maybe minus, whatever. According to that you should write. Luckily we have same number 5. So ultimately you have s square plus, so this is extra, balance it 1 by this. Clear? So now separate this, already you know. I think it is clear to all of you. So L inverse 1 by 5 is here, 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 by 5 L inverse of s minus 1 by s square plus 4. So from here you may write 1 by 5, it is coming into the power minus t, and from here 1 by 5, it should be, you should separate it, that is your s by, sorry, L inverse of s by s square plus 4 minus L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. I think it is clear to all of you. So now you write down 1 by 5 e to the power minus t minus 1 by 5. The value is coming. How much value? Anyone? Yes, you are correct. Cos 2t. Please write down cos 2t. And from here it is coming sin 2t by 2. Yes, very good. Is it clear to all of you? Good. Now try to understand which formula, main formula we have used here, or I have used here. So please take a note. So there are three formula here you have, we have applied, that is 1 by s minus a is equals to e to the power at. L inverse of s by s square plus a square is equals to cos at. and L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, it is sine 80 by a. Okay, it is sine e to the power 80 cos 80, it is sine 80 by a. So this is the basic formula. Without any partial fraction you can simplify it. Okay, so if it is clear, then try to solve this one. Pause this video and try to solve it. So 1 by s minus 3 s square plus 7. Same process. Okay, just you have to pause this video, just try to solve. Same process you do follow, and you can send me the solution. Okay, I'll check it and I'll inform you whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, otherwise you can follow these steps, you can find the solution. I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, very good. Shall I move to the next? Yes, now. Okay, now please write down type 3. Type 3 basically extension of the second one. Now try to understand. You have a question. L inverse of s minus 4 by minus 3, okay, and s square plus 8. So this is your question. Clear? L inverse of s minus 4 by whole divided by s minus s plus 3 plus s square plus 8. It's very easy. Okay, so if you can see the previous process, you have a 1. Here you have some extra factor you have. Okay, now try to dissolve. First our target to dissolve it. Now try to understand this. It's very easy. So our first target, so this can be this expression have to transform like this. So here you may write s plus 3 minus 3 minus 4 by s plus 3 s square plus 8. Is it clear to all? So here I have mentioned how to decide that is very easy. So we want to express the same factor in numerator part. So s, then I have mentioned plus 3 minus 3 to balance it. How to decide? We should add plus 3 because of this factor. Okay, now what you have? Now it is coming how much? L inverse of s plus 3 minus 7 by s plus 3 s square plus 8. Is it clear? So now you write down L inverse of s plus 3 by s plus 3 s square plus 8. Clear? So this by full minus 7 is outside. L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 and s square plus 8. Now we can see this expression is similar to the previous type. So already you know how to do that. Correct? So now this and that is cancel. So how much is left? So ultimately it is coming L inverse of 1 by s square plus 8 minus 7 L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 into s square plus 8. Clear? Now it is clear, I think, because this part is similar to the previous type 2, and this is a standard form of inverse Laplace transform. Okay, now Okay. What is the value? So already you know, L inverse of 1 by s square plus root 8. Now from here we may write 1 by s plus 3 minus 1 by s square plus 8. How to adjust? It should be s minus 3. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? S minus 3, it should be s plus 3. If it is minus, it should be plus. Okay. Now you check the adjustment. So if you take LCM, what is coming? S square plus 8 is coming, minus a plus b into a minus b, that is coming s square minus 9. So ultimately it is coming s square plus 8 minus s square minus plus 9. Ultimately 17. So 1 by 17 is the adjustment. Is it clear? If you take LCM, that is a square plus 8, and from here this into that, a square minus b square, a square minus 9. If I simplify, 17 is extra, is coming. So now I have adjusted it. So from here it is coming sine root 80 by root 8, and from here 7 by 17 L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. So from here it is coming minus 7 by 17 L inverse of s minus 3 by s square plus 8. I think it is clear to all of you. This minus comes to plus. Okay. Is it clear? So minus minus plus. So ultimately it is coming sine root 80 by root 8, and from here 7 by 17, and here it is comes to the power minus 3t, and here you may write plus 7 by 17 L inverse of s by s square plus 8, and from here minus 21 by 17. Is it clear to all of you? 7 into 3, that is minus 21 by 17, minus adjusted. So L inverse of 1 by s square plus 8. Same process, so this can be, that is sine root 80 by root 8 minus 7 by 17 e to the power minus 3t plus 7 by 17. Already you know it comes to root. Our formula is root 8 whole square, then only you can make it square. Okay. So shall I write directly, or you may write, okay, I can add one extra line, no problem. S by s square plus root 8 whole square minus 21 by 17. I can write this line also, no problem. So if want to eliminate one line, you may do it s square plus root 8 whole square. Okay. So ultimately it is coming sine root 80 by root 8 root 8 minus 7 by 17 e to the power minus 3t plus 7 by 17, it is coming cos root 80. Okay, minus 21 by 17, it is coming sine root 80 by root 8. Okay, so I have received one question from my student to solve this question. So this is the question I have received from him to solve it. Now I think it is clear to you, my dear student. Okay. So similar type of problem try to solve. Huh? Is it clear? Okay. You can one to two line you can skip. no problem. But my suggestion to all of you always, I always suggest my student, motivate my student to write everything whatever you can write. Okay, so that any layman can understand. Those who are watching my video, is my request to all of you. Please do subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe, if you get some benefit from here, it is my satisfaction, or I will get some benefit if you subscribe my channel. So that means you are following my channel. Okay. So ultimately, my motivation is totally you. It's totally you. If you are satisfied, then automatically I'll be satisfied. Hmm? Everyone, please do subscribe my channel to motivate me to do more videos on it. Hmm? And if you are feeling any difficulty anywhere, you can send me the message my through my mail ID or my WhatsApp number. Okay, definitely I'll try to make some video on according to your requirement. Hmm? Now, now come to the next type. Type 4 is also very easy. Suppose if I have 1 by s square plus 4 and s square plus 1. Basically, both are quadratic. So this is very easy. This is also very easy. Hmm. It's very simple. Just you have to separate this. S square plus 4 minus 1 by s square plus 1. Now adjust, simplify, take LCM. It is coming L square plus 1 by s square plus 4. If you take LCM, the numerator part will come like this. Okay, then what is your adjustment? That is coming s square plus 1 minus s square minus 4. So minus 3 is the adjustment. So make it minus 3. Is it okay? Good. So now you write down minus 1 by 3 L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4 minus minus plus 1 by 3 1 by s square plus 1. Clear? So minus 1 by 3 L inverse of 1 by s square plus this 4 can be written as like this, plus 1 by 3 L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 whole square. So ultimately it is coming 1 by 3. It is your sine 2t by 2. And from here 2t by 2, from here 1 by 3, it is coming sine t. Is a 1 sine t by 1. So you may write sine t. Okay. I think it is very easy. Just separate and find the result. Clear? It may be a little bit big video, but you can find all more or less all special type of problems. Now I think it is clear to all of you. Now type 4. Type 4 is over. Type 5. Now try to understand. So if I have s square plus 1, I have considered same problem. Okay. So here just you can check from the last and this one. So here you have a 1, now it is s. Process remains same, just you have to separate this. Same process. First you have to consider s is outside, then you balance it. S square plus 1 minus s square plus 4. Okay. Now what is your adjustment? What is your adjustment? So here it is in this type, so it is a square plus 4. I have considered, I have changed the orientation. Please check it. So if you take LCM, then it is coming square plus 1 minus s square minus 1. So ultimately it is coming s square plus 4 minus square minus 1. That is 3 is the adjustment. So make it 3, balance it. Okay, now it is okay. So only number should be outside. Number 3 is outside. L inverse of s by s square plus 1 minus s by s square plus 4. So now you make it clear, that is s by s square plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 3 L inverse of s by s square. This 4 can be written as like this 2 square. So ultimately it is coming 1 by 3, it is coming cos of t minus 1 by 3, it is coming cos of 2t. I think it is clear. So again and again, just you pause it and again you rewind it to check the steps. Okay. Now the last type in this video, last type, suppose you have type 6. Okay. So please write down. Suppose you have s minus, suppose you have s by s plus 1 by s square plus 1 and s square plus 4, suppose you have it. So from the last video you have only s, there may be a chance to see s plus 1, maybe s minus 1, maybe s plus 3, maybe s minus 3, whatever. The process is same, you have to make it double. How to do that is very easy. So L inverse of, separate this, that is s by s square plus 1 by s square plus 4 minus L inverse of 1 by, it is coming plus, is coming plus s square plus 1 by s square plus 4. Basically this problem is nothing but type 4 and type 5. This is 1 by something and s by something. If I have this type of problem, if I have a, suppose is 1, suppose you have a question in your mind, sir, if it is coming minus 7, then what you do? No problem, no problem, just you make it, it is okay, it is will be 1 minus 7, then separate, then find the solution. Okay, type 1 and type 4, this one is type 4 and this one is type 5. Just you have to, it will take some time but you can solve it, it's very easy. Okay, suppose you have a question in your mind, suppose if I have this type of problem, then what you do, sir? Which one? Now let's see. Suppose you have 2s minus 3 by s square plus 1 by s square plus 4. If you have, no problem, same process, I think you can, it is clear to all of you. These 2s you may write 2 outside, L inverse of s by s square plus 1 and s square plus 4 minus 3 will be outside, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 s square plus 4. I think it is type 4 and this one is type 5. I think now I think you can solve it. Now this is your task. So already have a solution without any watching the video. Try to solve it. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Please do subscribe, everyone. Please do subscribe my channel to motivate me. Okay. Thank you.